Now, I didn't plan on making a video at 9 o'clock at night about the Leatherman Arc, but here we are. I've seen now multiple videos showcasing the cutters on the Leatherman Arc breaking. In fact, I just watched Ink and Iron break his on camera with just a little bit of pressure. So we're going to find out if this thin, and I'm taking, this isn't even a thick coat hanger, causes this to happen to me too. So maybe we'll catch this again on camera. Now, one failure is not a consistent thing, but we've already seen two. Can we get a third? Let's find out. So before we get to the Arc, let me talk about a couple of the other tools. So I have the Free P2, Free P4 here on the table, and I also have a Leatherman Signal. Now, the Signal and all of these cutters should be identical. In fact, I think that when they went from this generation to this one, I don't think they changed anything, in fact. So I don't really know. Well, we're going to find out. So let's start with the older generation. I have absolutely cut hardwire with this, and I don't, yeah, no problem. As you can see, cut straight through it. We'll get it a little bit closer. You can see, boom, popping a little bit off, no issues. This is a pretty soft wire, in fact. I can imagine why it wouldn't be able to do it. Really easy, once again, with the Free P2. And once again, with the Free P4, no issues. I've never seen a Leatherman cutter fail. What about what's going on with this? Okay, first of all, it went right into that slot, so that's not good. Let me go up a little bit higher. It should be able to cut it there. So it is cutting there, but what's happening is I'm seeing it, and what people are doing is they're logically putting it all the way in and squeezing. Now mine, oh, I hope that didn't crack it or snap it. Mine seems to be not cutting, so they're not cutting, so, oh shit. Did that? Okay, all right. Okay, I keep imagining that it's gonna break on me. Honestly, I watched Ink and Iron short on this where he was just demonstrating the concept of it not working because of that gap, and then it snapped on him. So all I gotta say is this: whatever they were using, they should continue to use. Whatever they have done, whatever these new cutters are, probably it's a new manufacturer for the cutters. Whatever they need to do, they need to swap it back, because as it sits, when you go inside, oh shit. Did I just break the cutter? Holy frig. I am beside myself right now. I broke it too. And this little coat hanger. This is a joke, by the way, for any other Leatherman. Like, literally, I could pull any Leatherman out right now, and this would just, they would laugh at this. Whoever did the cutters, we'll just do a bunch of them since we can. Whoever did the cutters, which, by the way, no problems whatsoever, perfectly fine. Same thing over here, perfectly fine. Whoever did the cutters on these, well, they messed up. They messed up pretty bad. Because I just demonstrated once again on camera that we have a fatal flaw in the design of these things, probably in the heat treatment as well. I've never seen them chip before. In fact, give me 1 second, I want to check one more thing. Now, you've heard me many times talk about how bad the carbide cutters are on the Gerber center drive. You've heard me say it. I have an entire video showcasing how you can buy USA-made cutters specifically designed out of speed steel, which are going to outlast probably most Gerber multi-tools. But let's go ahead and try. Did that crack the thing? Did that crack the thing? I can't tell if that's a crack right there. We'll try it again. I'm gonna put it down. Try again. I don't know. I just think it's actually just polishing it. No, I don't see any issues so far. No cracking. Okay, so I just put a bunch more through that. And nothing. Now, I don't think that these are going to hold up to anything more than that coat hanger, but you just saw, and this has never happened, a Leatherman fail where a Gerber carbide cutter didn't fail. I am shocked. I could have sworn this was like a corner case, that it wasn't going to be something pretty big, but this is bad. This is actually really bad. I mean, it didn't take much. Coat hangers are very soft, by the way. These are not actually very hard. A lot of different things can do it. I've literally cut this with a Victorinox Deluxe Tinker. Now, it required a ridiculous amount of force, but technically possible. This is not something I expected to see. A broken pair of cutters on a $230 tool. I mean, it's easy for me to swap. I can put a brand new pair of cutters in here, but should that have happened? Should it have come like that? Heck no. So clearly a fundamental flaw, absolutely disappointing. I can't say enough. This is bad. This is really, really bad. Whew. Yeah, well, I guess Leatherman's going to be spending some money sending out some brand new cutters to all their customers. That should be interesting. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm going to need to process this. I had a lot I was actually going to be talking about. They have a new program where you can extend your warranty up to 40 years, but that's kind of all beside the point, I think, for this video. So I'll end it here. As always, thank you for your time, and I'll talk again soon.